Happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is going to be from June the 3rd through June the 9th. And what I'm going to be doing this week is I had a request. I've had several requests to go back to my movie reviews in my planners. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Now next week I will deviate because I had one request for a sunglass theme. So I thought I would do that. But this one is on Breakfast at Tiffany's. I had a request to do that, and I love Audrey Hepburn, and I love the movie. So I made my own stickers, and then this is the paper that I've chosen. It just reminds me of her, girly, happy, kind of flighty, and she had the prettiest eyes, so I love this eyelashes. And then this paper is just, it's kind of like Breakfast at Tiffany's. It's kind of bubbly, but then it's kind of sophisticated too. But then there's also some sadness that goes through it. And then I'm going to pair it with this washi. I think that complements it nicely. And I'm just using a black Papermate pen, okay? So let me go ahead and take my pages out of my planner. I'm so glad that everybody liked my jewelry theme. I really had fun doing that. Now I have done a purse theme in the past, and I will link that behind this one. Okay, I've decided that I want this to be the main paper of the spread. It's just like her, so bubbly and kind of flighty in this movie. But like I was saying, I did a purse theme. I know I did. And the request was for sunglasses and a purse theme. But I know I've already done the purse. So I will just link it if I can find it. And I'll just do the sunglass theme. But I'm really excited to get back to the movie reviews. I've missed them. And then this is really pretty. I just love it. She had the most beautiful eyes. I hope everybody's staying cool. It has been like 104, 105 heat index down here practically every day. And for early June, that's pretty hot. Okay, let's go ahead and put our paper down like we want it. This is going to be so cute. And I wanted this paper to go up and down because it seemed more happy than this way. Just seemed to me like confetti falling. Okay, so let's go ahead and start putting our paper down. I think that is going to be really cute for this. You could also use some blue paper, and that would be really pretty as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and put our washi down. I think this is really going to be a pretty spread. And this is just Dollar Tree washi. I love Dollar Tree washi. Tears so easily. I love her clothes that she wore in this movie. They just look so sophisticated. I think that is really cute. Oh, I like that. I think that is really sweet, okay? Like I said, I made my own stickers with my Cricut. And I'm going to just take this one. My DVD sort of looks like this. This isn't. This is from a Sydney Symphony. Whew, can't talk. A Sydney Symphony Orchestra ticket. But I'm going to use it like this because I think she's just gorgeous in this. And my DVD looks a lot like that. Okay, and George Peppard is in this with her. And she plays Holly Golightly, who really wants to be... She says she's going to just marry a man for money. And she's kind of like a really nice girl escort. You pay for her dinner and her time, and then she comes home. Okay, and here she is with George Peppard. He just moved into her building, and he wants to be a writer, and I think his name is Paul, I think. And she has a party, and she meets him, but he is really... basically doing the same thing. He's a kept man, basically, by this woman that he calls his interior decorator. And here they are at Tiffany's. They found a ring in a box of Cracker Jacks, and they took it to Tiffany's and had it engraved. And she loves to go by Tiffany's and eat. Her breakfast of the morning was usually like some kind of sweet croissant or something like that. And then here she's starting to fall for him, and he's starting to fall for her. And here she is. This is how she sleeps with those eye patches over her eyes. She's so funny. And then here she is with George Papard at one of her parties. And she's going to visit this mobster, and she doesn't realize, but she's carrying information about some of his business just so that she can get paid $100. So she goes and visits him in prison all the time. But she's with George Papard outside. And then she has this cat that she just calls Cat. And she's really cynical about love. And I won't tell you what this is about. And I won't tell you how the movie ends. But here she's kissing George Papard. It really is a cute, cute movie. All right. Now let me just write a few things down that I need to do. Okay, now let's put my pages back inside my planner and take a look at this. But I think it turned out really cute. Let me put this back in here. And then I made something else to go in, and we'll take a look at that in just a minute. But I really like how this paper kind of gives the feel for the movie. She plays, you know, just a very carefree but pretty burdened woman who really has a lot of secrets to her past, and she's kind of tainted on love. And like I said, George Papard is a lot like her, but they fall for each other, and you know, it's like, can he stop being a cat man and actually keep her? But it's really good. I think you would enjoy it. And then this, I just took another paper, scrapbook paper, that had like eyelashes, lips, hearts, combs, perfume, shoes, sunglasses, and I put this picture on it because I love this. It just reminds me so much of the movie, and I think this really makes the spread pop. But like I said, I love how the pictures turned out, and the washi and the paper. I love how it works together. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.